A circle is the purest, the most perfect and spiritual of all shapes, revered by cultures around the globe for its mystical and divine form. Our ancestors found evidence of it in the natural world. Those who understood it used it to discover new worlds, to explore the imagination of possibilities and circumnavigate the earth. Centuries before Christ, the Greeks had the tetraskelion. The sun gave rise to a very old mythological symbol rotating around its center axis like four spinning heads. In the Basque country, it inspired the Lauburu. In Western Europe, the Basque and Celtic people carved this symbol into archstones and lintels to protect those who entered, while circular stels were carved to mark a grave. The Lauburu would watch over the deceased, keeping them safe from evil. The Lauburu has become synonymous with Basque culture and identity. Its symbolism draws strength and balance from the number 4, like earth, water, fire, and air captured in these 4 elements. The Christian symbol brings a spiritual element. It was believed to bring protection and direction to one's life. The Basque Cross represented many spheres: the physical, mental, emotional, and perceptual realms. Eguzki, the sun in Basque, brings energy and a way to mark time. And finally, life begins with a circle, in a magical cycle of death, burial, and resurrection. On this planet, the Lauburu is a wondrous symbol of unity and identity within the Basque culture, ultimately serving as a metaphor for life, a principle of divine reason and creative order.